Welcome to Two-Way Direct, your number one two-way radio dealer in the U.S. We not only offer all major brand products, but we do so at the lowest prices guaranteed. Today we will be talking about the repairs process here at Two-Way Direct. Follow this step-by-step guide to get your radios to us and serviced quickly. Step 1. Go to twowaydirect.com and click Support. Step 2. Click this repair form, then complete and print or save as a PDF. The more comments you have on your repair form, the more information you'll be giving to our technicians, which will expedite the repairs process for you. Always be sure to include the model number and serial number if it is a two-way radio product, but serial numbers will not be available for two-way radio accessories as they don't have one. To find the model and/or serial number on your handheld, simply take off the battery and there will be a model number on there to reference. Take note that sometimes the serial number is abbreviated as S/N. Step 3. Fax the completed forms to 877-694-6603 or attach it below to the support request form. Once this form is completed, you can either print and fax to our team, or you can save to your computer and attach to the support request form at the bottom of the support page. Step 4. Complete the support request form at the bottom of the support page, and for the case issue, select Repair. Step 5. Send in your product. It is very important to note that you should not send in any equipment to our team before speaking with a support representative, as you will need an RMA number to do so. If you do send your equipment in without obtaining an RMA number, it may get lost as we will not be able to track the repair or your product. Within 1 to 2 business days of submitting the support request form, a support representative will reach out in order to give detailed instructions on how to properly send in your product for repair. This information will include our two-way direct address and RMA number in the Ship to Attention field. Include this in the shipment and even write on the outside of the box. Once we receive your product with the RMA number, we will be able to track it, and we will also be able to look at all the notes regarding the repair. If you still have questions regarding the repairs process, feel free to give us a call at 888-742-5893, and a sales rep will be available to assist you.